Hi, Syracuse. Hey, Central New York. True or false? Minnie is the best dog ever. Well, that's true. Hi, sweetie. True or false? You need permission to cut down a tree in Radisson, the subdivision in Baldwinsville. Enter your music. The answer is you do. You do need permission. However, Radisson does not make this as difficult as possible. You can simply submit a form online and somebody will come out and either put an X for yes, you can go ahead and cut it, or give you a reason why. What's the top reason that you would be denied cutting down a tree? It's not on your property, would be one. The other is they do like to have a minimum number of trees. That is just for aesthetics and for property value. Question number 2, true or false? You cannot have a vegetable garden on your yard. Technically, you cannot. There are ways around that, of course, but they do have a community garden lot off of Drake's Landing that you pay a few dollars. It's nominal, and they provide water hookups, and they have actual pots that are great size, and they receive full sunshine. It's actually really a neat feature of Radisson.